The sweetest treat for your dream kitchen. Marshmallow Delight Recipe. Picture this, you're standing in front of your dream kitchen, complete with gleaming countertops, state-of-the-art appliances, and enough storage space to finally organize your baking essentials. Sounds amazing, right? Well, if you're still waiting for that perfect kitchen, don't worry. Your favorite realtor, me, is here to help you find it. And what better way to break into that dreamy kitchen than by whipping up a dessert that's just as fun and cozy as your new space. This Marshmallow Delight recipe is a sweet and simple treat that'll make your home feel like home from the very first bite. Marshmallow Delight bars. Ingredients: 3 cups mini marshmallows, a 1/4 cup unsalted butter, a 1/4 cup peanut butter, optional, for a nuttier taste, 6 cups crispy rice cereal or graham cracker pieces, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, and a 1/4 cup heavy cream. Instructions: prepare the pan. Line a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with parchment paper, letting the edges hang over for easy lifting. Lightly grease the paper with butter or cooking spray. Melt the marshmallows. In a large pot over medium heat, melt the butter. Once melted, add the mini marshmallows, stirring consistently until smooth. If using peanut butter, mix it in now for a creamy, nutty flavor. Combine with cereal. Remove the pot, turn from heat, and quickly fold the Rice Krispie Treat cereal or graham crackers. Stir until everything is evenly coated. Press into the pan. Transfer the mixture into the prepared baking pan. Press it down evenly using a spatula or the back of a greased spoon. Make the chocolate topping. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine the chocolate chips and the heavy cream. Microwave in 20-second intervals, stirring in between until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Finish with chocolate. Pour the melted chocolate over the marshmallow base and spread it evenly. Let the bars cool at room temperature for about 1 hour or refrigerate for 30 minutes until the chocolate sets. Cut and serve. Lift the dessert out of the pan using the parchment paper, cut into squares or bars, and enjoy. Ready to sweeten your life? The Marshmallow Delight recipe is just the beginning of the memories you'll make in your new dream kitchen. Whether you're hosting dessert nights or indulging in a little treat for yourself, having the right kitchen makes everything better. If you're ready to find the perfect home with a kitchen made for baking and snacking, I'm here to make it happen. Contact your favorite realtor, me, today, and let's turn your dream kitchen into reality, because life is sweeter when you're cooking in the right space.